This is pre-calculus assignment number 16, and we're looking at number 15. So it says to identify the domain of each function. Remember, you cannot take the square root of a negative number. Okay, so what I did is I took the equation and I graphed it in my Desmos graphing calculator, and here's a screenshot of what that looks like. And so what you're going to notice is there's a point where it starts right here, and that point is at -2, -3. All right, so the domain is going to be what are the x values? Okay, so the x values start at -2 and continue on and on and on and on and on forever to positive infinity. So it's going to be when x is greater than or equal to -2. The range is going to be the y values. So here's the y-axis, and we're coming across here from -3, and it's just going to get larger and larger. Now it doesn't grow as fast as the x's did, but it is going to grow to positive infinity. So the range is going to be all the y values that are greater than or equal to -3. Okay.